Hello my dear fellow day traders, welcome to 17th Jan 2019's pre-open analysis session. Today SGX Nifty is showing 20.5 points up move at the level of 10,945 points, and US markets have done pretty great for itself yesterday. 141 points up for Dow Jones, Nasdaq up by 10 points, and S&P was up by 5.8 points. So seeing the cues from US markets and SGX Nifty, Indian markets will open in green in today's pre-open and open session. Yesterday's market was a dampener. The market was all the way up above the level of 10,884. However, it could not retain the level of 10,900 levels. So 10,900 is a very strong resistance for the market. You should observe that over here it stopped over here at the level of 10,900 and did not go above that. So we need to gain momentum in order to see the market moving upwards. So momentum is derived from MACD. So MACD is showing positive as of now. So MACD shows that there is a slight momentum in the market due to the up move, and we have crossed the resistance barrier. However, we are not very far away from the resistance barrier. We have just closed at 10,890 yesterday. We had a red in yesterday's session. It went all the way up. However, it came down from that particular level. The supports and resistances what we had to watch out for, of course, 10,884 itself is a very strong support, and 10,850, 10,834 levels. There's one more support, that is the 200-day moving average, which is at the level of 10,813. That will be a very strong support for the market. There is 10,821 and 10,808 and 10,800, 10,765 levels, 10,750 levels, 10,734 levels, which is the 50-day moving average, which is a very strong support. 10,707 and 10,677 are the levels we had to watch out for as supports in the market. Resistances being 10,900, 10,926, 10,936 levels, and 10,950, 11,000, 11,092 are the levels we have to watch as the resistances in today's market and upcoming sessions. So the fast stochastic is showing that we are entering a overbought zone. We have not entered the overbought zone yet. However, we have a chance that we can move more upward from here onwards. And slow stochastic is showing that we are not in the overbought zone or oversold zone. We have momentum. So momentum shows that we may move upwards from here onwards in today's session. So having said all this, this is the technical knowledge for today. I will be starting a non-directional trading workshop happening on 26th and 27th. Please wait for the information. I will provide the link where you can enroll. There will be up to 30 students who can enroll in this session happening on 26th and 27th Jan 2019. Mark your dates. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video for all the knowledge needies. This is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. Happy trading and happy money making.